Reminds us of the statement of the Salaf when they said, as was stated by Ibn al-Jawzi in his book, أخبار الحمق والمغفلين, the stories of retarded people, people who are mughaffileen, and people who don't have a clue. He said that from the alamatul ahmaq, from the signs of a stupid person, عدم النظر إلى العواقب, is that he doesn't look at the end result of his actions. They said, وَالْأَحْمَقْ لَا خَيْرَ فِي صُحْبَتِهِ. He said, and there is no good in being the friend of an ahmaq, and being the friend of a stupid person. لأن الأحمق يظن أن ينفعه ويضرك. يظن أن ينفعك ويضرك. And the ahmaq, a stupid person, he thinks that he is helping you while he is hurting you. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said, الْمَرْءُ عَلَى دِينِ خَلِيلِهِ فَلْيَنْظُرْ أَحَدُكُمْ أَنْ يُخَالِلْ. A man is upon the religion of his friend, so let every one of you look at who he takes to be his friend. And he says, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, مَثَلُ الْجَلِيسُ الصَّالِ وَجَلِيسُ الصَّوْءِ كَحَامِلِ الْمِسْكِ وَنَافِخُ الْكَيْرِ. He said the example in the parable of a good companion and a bad companion is like the example of a person who blows on the bellows, a blacksmith, and the merchant who sells misk. The نَافِخُ الْكَيْرِ, and the person who blows on the bellows, either, and he will burn your clothing from being around him, your clothing may get burnt, or you may get a bad smell. Or, and he said, and the person who sells misk, and the person who sells fine oils, fine fragrances. This person, and he will sell you some misk, or you will get some misk, and from being around him, he'll give you a dab of misk. You get a good smell just from being around him. Shaykh Muqbil, he said, and from ashab al-saw, and from evil associates, is the television set and the satellite dish. The television set and the satellite dish. Either a person is going to get burned, or he's going to get a bad smell. He's going to get burned, or he's going to get a bad smell. And the person who brings it into his home is, as the Shaykh Muhammad ibn Salih al-Uthaymeen mentioned, the statement of the Messenger of Allah